Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This luxurious 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 2-story house with separate living, dining, and sitting rooms brings out old world charm. It is located in Unity Hall, St. James, recessed from the road with an expansive front yard, dotted with ornamental trees and lush vegetation on 68,992 square feet. Imagine having your morning coffee while sitting on the balcony, viewing the panorama of the ocean across the road. If you are an avid gardener or a lover of nature, you will be right at home on this sprawling property as it sits on well manicured grounds. This gem includes 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, self contained flat that can be used as an income earner and is ideal for Airbnb if so desired. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.3 million or Jamaican $200 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.